In as much as people don't say fat anymore, this AI website would not take that, which means that you can actually turn any photo or picture here into a chubby funny face, and this is a particular filter for it. So all you have to do is to go to this website deepfakemaker.io, click on the image filter, click on AI fat filter, and then click on the upload photo here, upload the original picture, then enter the fat level effect you want. You see it says you enter the fat effect level you want to apply: mild, medium, heavy. So you can say make the face mildly fat, or make it fat, put in brackets medium, or make it heavily fat. So you can also add other options here, other ideas on how to edit your image here, and also choose your aspect ratio. There are actually three available for to be chosen, and then click on the generate now, and then within few seconds your image would be available for you in this area where you can actually edit it or download it directly into your system. So that's it, guys. Let me know what you guys think about this particular video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day, and please subscribe.